this is Billy from Ever Expanding Life. Today we're going to take a look at an AC/DC power adapter whose cord is broken right up next to the adapter and see if we can fix it. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and make sure you check out all of our other content at our website, everexpandinglife.com. So if we take a look at this adapter, you'll see that the break is too close to the adapter for me to be able to do a simple repair of just splicing the wire to fix it. There's no extra wire to play with here for me to use to repair this. I think it's at the point where most people would just consider it garbage. But we're going to see if we can salvage it. So what I'm going to need to do is try to get this thing apart without destroying it. Find where these wires go to and see if we can resolder on this wire, taking out the bad portion. We'll even see if we can slice this protector open and reuse it. Its purpose is to stop the wire from breaking any closer, but of course we've got breakage at the end of it. So even if we're able to reuse it, we'll want to continue the reinforcement down a little farther with some electrical tape to give it a little bit of extra strength and hopefully a little more longevity. This adapter already has a little bit of damage right here, so I need to be a little extra cautious as I'm taking it apart, because it's going to be quite fragile in that area. As I attempt to take it apart, first thing I'm looking for are any screws that might be holding it together. There's nothing visible. So there are no screws hiding under the sticker. Now let's open her up. To open it up, we're going to use a thick steel knife with a flat edge on one side and a hammer. Now it's broken loose, mostly clean. It's a little bit of a crack off center here along where it was already broken. Now we're going to pry the cap the rest of the way off. There's a little piece of adhesive right here that was holding the cap down. So you got to give it a little bit of extra force to peel it the rest of the way off. So now we need to find where our wires attach to the transformer. The wires run in and loop under this piece. There's this cloth sheath that goes over the wires, and they solder into the board right here. We're going to wiggle this wire out from underneath. So here's where our repair needs to be done. We're going to unsolder this wire here, take out this bad section. Before I cut this wire, I want to make sure that I can remember which wire is which so that I can hook it back up correctly. This wire goes to the top, and I'm going to put a little knot in it. Now we're going to soften the solder and pull out the wires. There we go. Old wire's out. Now I'm going to see if I can slice this wire protector open in a way that I can reuse it. Protectors on. I'm going to add some more electrical tape down the cord. Hopefully it will prevent the wire from having the same break happen over again. There's a big difference in diameter here, so I think I'll fatten up this section first and then run down a connector of electrical tape. Okay, that should be better protected this time. Now we'll slip on the cloth sheath. Now I'm going to go ahead and wire the one I don't have knotted so I can continue to tell them apart. This hole is open and clear of solder, so we'll go ahead and feed the wire back in. Let's add some solder. Okay, first wire connected, so let's prep the second one. This hole still has solder on it, so we're going to soften the solder and slip the wire back in from underneath. Now let's add some solder. And now our wire is cleanly attached. Now we need to tuck it back inside. Set our protector in the groove. Put our cap back on. Seal the seam with some electrical tape. Now it's time to give it a test. I should be getting 9 volts with the center being positive and the outside being negative. Let's see if that's what we've got. And there we go. 8.99 volts. I'd say that's close enough. Job well done. And with that, we once again have a functional AC/DC adapter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out all our other content at our website, everexpandinglife.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. May you be blessed with an ever-expanding life.